And now we are given a piecewise function. Let's use our understanding of what that is given to us to find the value for G4. For G4, we know that n is equal to 4, which means that we are looking at an even n, so I'm going to make use of this expression. So making use of this, when n is equal to 4, G4 will be 2 plus G of half times 4, which is 2 plus G2. Which means that now for this, we are looking at n to be equal to 2. It is still an even number. So G2, I will replace it by 2 plus G of half times n, which is 2. So we are looking at 2 plus 2, 4 plus G of 1. And now n is equal to 1. It is an odd number. So I'm going to make use of this. So it will be 4 plus replacing this with this expression. It will be 1 plus G of n is 1, so 1 minus 1, which will be 5 plus G0. And this is when n is equal to 0. So I'll make use of this, which means that it is going to be 5 plus G0 is 1. So this is 6. So G4 is 6. Let's make use of the same understanding to find G7. 7 over here is an odd number, so G7 will be 1 plus G of 7 minus 1, G6. As for G6, 6 is an even number, so it will be 1 plus this. I'm going to replace it by 2 plus G of half times 6, which is 3, which means that I'm looking at 3 plus G3. And 3, it is an odd number, so I'm going to make use of this expression. So it will be 3 plus G3 will be 1 plus G2, which will give me a 4 plus G2. 2 is an even number, so I'm going to make use of this expression. This will be 4 plus G2 will be 2 plus G half times 2, 1, which will be 6 plus G1. And 1 is an odd number. I'm going to make use of this expression. So it will be 6 plus G1, it is 1 plus G of 1 minus 1, 0, which is 7 plus G0. And n is 0 is when G0 is 1. So this is going to be 7 plus G0 is 1. So this is 8. Let's look at the last value that we are supposed to evaluate, which is G12. G12, 12 is an even number, so G12 will be 2 plus G of half times 12, 6. And this will be 2 plus this. I'm going to replace it with, since 6 is an even number, I'll replace it with 2 plus G half of 6, 3, which is 4 plus G3. 3 is an odd number, so I'm going to make use of that, which means that I have a 4 plus G3 will be replaced by 1 plus G, 3 minus 1, 2. So what I have is a 5 plus G2. 2 is an even number. I'll make use of this. It will be 5 plus 2 plus G of half times 2, 1. So I have a 7 plus G1. 1 is an odd number, so I'll make use of this, which is 7 plus 1 plus G1 minus 1, 0, which is 8 plus G0. N is 0, I'll make use of this. So what I have is 8 plus 1. This is equal to 9.